Hello, my name is Chris Smith, and I'm the Technical Product Manager here at thecodesigningstore.com. Today, we're going to sign an executable using Visual Studio. So our first step is we're going to open up Visual Studio, and we're going to go here over to the Developer PowerShell that comes with Visual Studio 2022. Okay. So the pathway that it's going to sign, or where it's going to look for the executable, is going to be in our test project folder here. This is a project that's directly connected to Visual Studio, and it's basically a template that I downloaded, but it will work with any project that you make. So the first part we're going to put in the command line is SignTool. Next will be our command that we want SignTool to do, which is to sign. After that, we would choose the hashing algorithm that we want. So put a /FD and then SHA-256. And then we're going to put in the executable that we would like to sign. So this particular line, before we hit enter, this is a command that's going to specifically look for the correct certificate that would best fit the request. So this would be the sign request. So it's going to look for a code signing certificate. So the way that it works, it'll go into your certificate store and it'll pick whichever code signing certificates in your store. So we're going to hit enter. And there we are. We have successfully signed this executable. So the next step we're going to take is we're going to timestamp this executable. So we're going to go back to command line and put SignTool. Then the command we're going to do is timestamp. Now we're going to timestamp this using a timestamp server provided by Digicert. So we're going to put /TR HTTP and then the following. Then we're going to put a /. We're going to choose which hashing algorithm we're going to use. And that's going to be SHA-256 again. And then we're going to put in the file that we'd like to timestamp. And there we have it. We've successfully timestamped this executable. And now we're going to do one more operation. We're going to verify that all this actually worked. And we're going to verify that this has been signed. So we're going to go back. And we're going to put in a SignTool. Then we're going to put our action, which is going to be verify. And then we're going to put the file that we want to verify signature for, which will be here. Hit enter. And there you have it. So we successfully signed this executable. It's been timestamped by our server. So definitely it was great doing this walkthrough for you guys. I know there's not a lot of information on how to code sign using Visual Studio. So I hope this helps you guys out, especially those of you who have projects in Visual Studio and you would need to sign those for various reasons. So it was great doing this walkthrough with you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all future content. Also, be sure to visit codesigningstore.com where we will service all of your code signing needs.